fat cat on a treadmill underwater. Here it is. There's so many videos of fat cats on a treadmill underwater, surprisingly.
And cats, they're not usually known for their love of swimming, but one feline in Northern Virginia is hitting the water instead of the gym in an effort to lose weight. Holly is a 13-year-old cat who dislikes the outdoors and other physical activities. But with encouragement from her owner and weekly visits to the Old Town Pet Resort.
Wait, what's her name?
Holly is a...
What the fuck? It was fake!
Like most cats, Peaches doesn't love the water. But what he does love is the problem. Peaches loves eating and sitting. He became overweight, contracted diabetes, and refuses to go for walks.
We're in a condo.
Me too.
He's pretty mellow when he's on his platform in the water. Aww. It's really only when he's being asked to exert himself that he...
Why would you do that? What the fuck? Yo, what is this? You can get like a viewing dome for your window for a square out?
Oh my god, he's getting you.
Where did he go?
That was the point where we began to become the boys. There's nothing that...
What? Whoa. How come cats just randomly get a little like crazy? A little like blah, 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 blah. I'm crazy now. What the? How does it move so erratically like that? No!
Toast, that's you.
It thinks it's another cat.
Toast.
Toast? Oh, it's so pissed. It's so peeved.
I didn't do it.
That's so mean. Bro, I thought this thing on the desk was a giant dildo. Cheese on your head. Oh, whoa! Whoa, hey, break it up. Wait, they're listening to the Ooey Ah song. Do cats actually... I don't know if that cat was dancing. I think that cat was doing something different. What? This cat is judging them for playing League of Legends.
No.
Oh, he's peeved. He's peeved right off. Oh, wait, you can't go in there, silly cat. That's an oven. That's a Belgian Malinois. Belgian Malinois look so strange. Our dog is like part Belgian Malinois. Wait, let me change my background so I'm transparent. Okay, let's continue this cat video and see what the offerings are. Was that real? That sounded like a fucking Jurassic Park raptor. Wait, what's that video that has all the top 10 cat noises? They're watching. That cat had eyeliner on. Okay, that is just fucked up. He's just sitting there letting them fight like that. Rat versus rat. Oh. Hey, don't grab his fat like that. Oh, I love when cats do that. They get in that position where they start wiggling and their eyes get really big. Bro, these cats are on something, I think. These cats are freaking crazy. Oh, that's so cute. Wait, no, don't drag it. Cat, Earth to cat. I've actually done this before. It's a really easy way to get excess cat hair off. Very gently, very gently. Whoa. Whoa! How's a cat get around like that with such tiny little legs? What the? Oh, they really love being in small enclosed space. Holy shit. Oh my god, there's 3 cats. Wait, no. That's a dog. What the? That's a Maine Coon. They have really, really long tufted ears. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. What is it doing? Does it want to get in the shower?
Evet, o şimdi de ekmeği kaptı. Ekmek yiyemezsin.
Hey, go back.
Verir misin?
Oh, I feel bad for it, but it's too silly. I don't know if I'm supposed. Whoa, I don't know if I'm supposed to be watching this. That must feel and taste so good. I'm not even kidding. Like the texture of the squishy paw pad in your mouth. It probably tastes like Cheeto. Ooh, he has a goatee. Oh no, no survival instincts at all. Oh no, it's gonna close. Get out, hurry! Oh no! I'll never understand just how quirky cats are. They're just so quirked up. What makes them that way? This is nice. I've seen this video. It's so cute. The pigeon is like helping the mama cat by bringing little like nesting supplies to it. Look, and you can see all the hay that it brought before. Aww. He's standing on the kittens. Oh, that's so sweet. Pigeons are so smart, surprisingly. I have to show you guys my favorite. Wait, this isn't the video, but... What the fuck was that? This one better have the... Oh, wee. Whoa, that's a French cat. Wagyu? Wagyu?
Yeah.
Buddy, quit your yammering.
Oh, he's not yammering. Wait, no, the video's not done yet. Get this shit out of here. Get this shit out of here. My favorite cat sounds are the cat that says, "Look, I'm gay," and the cat that goes, "Oh, wee. Look, I'm gay." Look at me. Look at me. Look, I'm gay. How small it is, look. Wee. It's so small. Wee. Oh, and then there's the cat that's like taking a bath and it says, "I'm cold." I'm cold. Or uncle, like it's crying uncle. Bow. Oh yeah, and the cat taking a bath going moo moo. Moo moo. This one's a classic. This is old. Oh, it hates it. Take him out. He hates it. Oh, you put it on like a condiment.
No. No. Meow meow. No. No.
Meow meow.
No.
I hate how the lady's just calmly going meow meow. And the cat's just fucking screaming. No! 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 Let him out! Let him out! He hates water! He hates it! Bro, that cats look so sad. All their glorious fur just crumbled to ash! I can't bear it. It hurts my heart. I hope it got warm and dry soon. Wait, this cat! I like this cat too! I'm Big Billy, the big wet willy. True. Is this one of the first like popular internet videos? Oh, I think it's pissed at another cat in there. Oh, it is, yeah. Oh, it hates it. This video made me cry one night, one lonely night. This shit made me cry so fucking hard at like 2 a.m. one night when I was like 18 or 19. I was like about to get really pissed off. Like, alright, it was a stupid video. It was just 2 cats. Oh yeah, that's what the title was. The title was like two pussies or something. 2 big pussies. And I was like, okay, fine. I know this video is gonna be fucking stupid. I clicked on it and it was just this. They love each other. Look, it really is 2 pussies. And they love each other. Love each other.